she's courageous. You get it? But before I removed that, the front mirror, it is called something like the front mirror effect. Before I turned it off, you would not know the beauty of this t-shirt. Hi lovelies, good morning, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be solving you a problem that I've come to see that it is a big challenge to especially the creators who want to, for example, they want to do analysis on their beautiful writings, maybe on their caps, on their capes and other things. You might be somebody who wants to do a review, or you might be somebody who wants to show off. Like for example, I would want to show off my project. This was my project. Can you read it? I know you might not read it because it has a flip issue right now. You might not read it. If you think you can read it, please put it in the comment section. So I'm going to solve it. It's just simple. Whether you have this problem of a flip camera, I call it a flip camera, I don't know how you're going to call it, whereby you find the projects or the wordings are upside down. This is what you're going to do today. But before you do anything, I would love you to go to your comment section right now in this video and let me know if you really knew how to solve this issue of a flip issue in your videos or in your photos. I've seen it several times. Like this, as you can see, this cup. This is the cup that I always want to review. This was I did my production, for example. You can see this. The reason why I put it here because it's a brand, Immaculate Show, so I always want it to come. But if you go to the videos, you always see it upside down. But today, it is no longer a problem. It is no longer an issue. I want to solve it for you right now. So wherever you are, just reach near and let me solve it. Do you have an Android or you have an iPhone? Whichever type of a phone you have, you can solve it. How are you going to solve it? For you to solve it, I want you to go to your phone. I'm going to start with iPhone. Go to your phone right now. Go to your settings. When you click on settings, I want you to go directly to camera. Go to your camera app. You can call it a camera app or camera icon and other things after settings. Then when you go to the camera, you are going to scroll down. When you scroll, this problem that you're seeing here is because of the mirror effect on a camera setting on your app. So the moment you reach there, look for where there is mirror effect. The mirror effect should be disabled, should be turned off, not enabled. Why you're seeing this is because the mirror effect is turned on. Everything was turned on and we have that issue. That's why you see I cannot review this t-shirt. Why did I put this t-shirt? Let me tell you the story about this t-shirt. But I'm going to tell you the story about this t-shirt and about this cap and about this t-shirt here after doing what I'm going to teach you. So you go to your settings. After your settings, click on camera. After camera, look for the mirror section, mirror. When you touch on mirror, toggle it, just turn it off, disable it, don't let it on because you might find everything of yours is on. Now turn off. Let's see the results, and I'm going to see it from the camera also. Let's go to my camera and see how it looks like. Lady is strong, she's courageous. You get it? But before I removed that, the front mirror, it is called something like the front mirror effect. Before I turned it off, you would not know the beauty of this t-shirt. So here I am. I want you to see it very well. That's why I decided even to stand up and I show you how the mirror effect can affect your word. Can you see it very well? Do you know that the reason why I went and I did this now comes out? You can read it. If you know you can read it, it means this is why I went and I did this. Now comes out. You can read it. If you know you can read it, it means this lady is strong. She's courageous. You get it. But before I removed that the front mirror, it is called something like the front mirror effect. Before I turned it off, you would not know the beauty of this t-shirt completely. It was something like zigzag. So the only person who would read it is a person who was just seeing me physically. But for you, my friends who are on social media, like for example, people who want these t-shirts, they could not order them because they could not get it. And every time, this was part of my best t-shirt that I come with on lives and even on videos. So now let's go and see. Do you really now know how to make this effect, how to change this effect? I'm trying to cover the face because I want you to concentrate on the word. Now you can read it very well. Let's go to this. This is a cap that you could not read before. Can you read this? Just be you. But before, with the other effect, you could not do it. Now let's go here. Most of you have seen this Immaculate Show t-shirt logo. I put it here. This is a brand that's like that. But not most of you could easily read what is written here. Most of you would not say, I'm productive in all situations. Would not read it. No. Even you would not read Immaculate Show. So this is what you should do. And I think it can help you in a wrong way, in a wrong run, and in different ways. This is for people who want to do analysis. This is for people who want to showcase what they are putting on. There are some people who have messages. So this is how it can be solved. It is very simple, but when you don't know it, you might never know it. I've stayed for almost some good years now without solving this because I did not concentrate on it until I concentrated on it. So guys, let's solve this flip chart. I don't know where you're going to put this video. Is it in education? Is it in making money? You can use it in anywhere, but this is awareness video. Thank you very much guys. Bye.